Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change ringtone on the Redmi 15C. And if you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Basically, you want to open up the settings of your Redmi 15C. Once it opens up, you just want to scroll all the way down until you find the sound and vibration settings. Go ahead and select that. Now over here you're going to see the ringtone option. Just proceed to select that. Give it a second, and from this page you're going to find different songs you can actually download and set as ringtone for your Redmi phone based on different categories. For instance, you can see we have nature, rain, morning, and from any of these categories you can just select and then download and set any song from over here as ringtone. You can also play them and listen to them just for you to be able to know how it sounds. And if you like any of the songs from any category, you can just click on this ringtone icon on the right hand side and that particular song can be set and used as your ringtone. However, if you want to be able to set your own song that is downloaded into your Redmi 15C as ringtone, what you would have to do is to come out of here and then choose on the local ringtone option over here. And then from this page, you should now be able to access your phone's file explorer, music, or any other place you have your music downloaded and proceed to set it as your ringtone for your Redmi 15. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.